Okay, so last time we learned about the measurement. We discussed about the definition of measurement, and we learned about physical quantity, all right? And we learned about non-physical quantity. We learned about SI system in little detail, okay? So I am going to share a screen. All will look to the screen properly. My screen share गर्छु सबैजनाले ध्यान गरेर स्क्रिनमा हेर्नु होला all right okay all right so this is our another slide again so measurement so it's basically measurement it belongs to physics now let's go to the SI system हामीले last time पनि SI system को बारेमा पढेका थियौं so SI system SI भनेको system international हो the full form of SI is system international that means we can see the definition there the system of measurement which is accepted all over the world okay still the noise is coming just to mic off noise आइरहेछ त्यहीबाट okay SI system the full form of SI is system international हामीले लास्ट टाइम पनि सायद पढेको छौं यो अलिकति फेरि रिभिजनको लागि मैले फोकस गर्दै छु SI system भनेको के हो भने the system of measurement which is used in all over the world alright संसारको संसारका सबैभरिका मान्छेहरूले यो सिस्टम फलो गरेका हुन्छन् there are over 7 billion population on this planet earth and all the people follow this system of measurement okay so its name is system international so the system of measurement which is accepted all over the world you can see on the slide there the system of measurement which is accepted all over the world is called SI system धेरै भन्दा धेरै मान्छेले यो मेजरमेन्टको सिस्टम फलो गरेका हुन्छन् र संसारभरि the people living in the different corners of the world they follow this system of measurement that's why it is called SI system alright अब SI system भनेको के हो भने एउटा त्यस्तो मेजरमेन्टको सिस्टम हो जुन चाहिँ संसारमा सबैजना मान्छेहरूले प्राय जस्ता मान्छेहरूले सबैजनाले म भन्दिनँ प्राय जस्ता धेरै भन्दा धेरै मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ यो सिस्टम यो मेजरमेन्टको सिस्टम फलो गरेका हुन्छन् किन गर्छन् त why do they follow this system of measurement because this system of measurement is easily understood by all people सबैजना मान्छेहरूलाई यो मेजरमेन्ट सिस्टमको बारेमा नलेज हुन्छ उनीहरूलाई थाहा छ र उनीहरूलाई सबैजना मान्छेहरूलाई यो मेजरमेन्टको सिस्टम यो SI सिस्टमको बारेमा थाहा भयो भने उनीहरूले आफ्नो कामहरू गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ ट्रेडिङ वर्कहरू बिजनेसहरू गर्दाखेरि भयो एक्सपेरिमेन्ट गर्दाखेरि भयो म्याथमेटिकल क्याल्कुलेसन्सहरू गर्दाखेरि भयो न्युमेरिकल्सहरू गर्दाखेरि भयो विभिन्न कामहरू गर्दाखेरि हामीले यदि SI सिस्टम फलो गर्यो भने हामीलाई काम गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ right on the other hand there shall be uniformity in the measurement we can see the second point there the system of measurement has brought uniformity in measurement uniformity भनेको एकरूपता right नेपाली it is called एकरूपता सबैतिर एकनासको हुने के right so let me give you one example so 1 kg mass equals to 1000 gram हैन त तपाईले नेपालको कुनै पनि मार्केटमा 1 kg सुगर किन्नु भयो भने 1 kg sugar equals to 1000 gram alright and let's say you went to the America and you purchase again 1 kg sugar फेरि तपाईले अमेरिकामा पनि गएर 1 kg sugar किन्नु भयो भने 1 kg sugar मा पनि त्यहाँ पनि 1000 gram नै हुन्छ in Nepal 1 kg sugar equals to 1000 gram in America 1 kg sugar equals to 1000 gram in China 1000 gram equals to 1 kg in every corners of the world the same system of measurement is followed alright that's why because of this reason it has brought uniformity in the measurement यसले चाहिँ मेजरमेन्टमा के गरेको छ त uniformity ल्याएको छ that is uniformity means constant सबैतिर एकनासको हुने के so listen once again the system of measurement which is accepted all over the world is called SI system and the full form of SI system is system international you can see there you can see the definition clearly on the slide this system of measurement has brought uniformity in measurement because of this system none of the people will be cheated and the trading work becomes easier and it becomes very easy to perform mathematical calculations it becomes very easy to do numerical problems in science in physics all right on the other hand it becomes easy for us to conduct scientific experiment in the laboratory that's why the SI system has brought uniformity in the measurement all right so You can see the note there. In SI system, there are 7 fundamental units. हेर्नुस् त SI system मा 7 वटा fundamental units हरु छन्. के हुन् त तिनीहरु? What are 7 fundamental units of SI system? Okay, you can see that. हेर्नुस् त a physical, there is a table we can see there. Okay, the first column is serial number, and the second column that denotes physical quantities, and the third one SI units. You can see there. Length. Length is a physical quantity, and the SI unit of length is meter. So it is noted by small letter m. एउटा physical quantity भयो. Similarly, we have second physical quantity, mass. Okay, so the mass is measured in kilograms. So kilogram is the SI unit of mass, and that is noted by kg. All right. Now time. Time is another physical quantity which is measured in terms of second. All right. Okay, and there are other units of time. So for example, time is also measured in hour. Time is also measured in day, month, week. Okay, year, decade, century. These are the other units of time. But basically, if we talk about SI unit, if we talk about system international unit, that is the SI unit of time is second. Okay, that is another one. And the temperature. Temperature is another physical quantity. So the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. You can see the spelling there, Kelvin, Kelvin, and that is noted by capital letter K. Electric current is another physical quantity, and that is measured in ampere. Okay, ampere, ampere. All right, so basically the current is a physical quantity that is measured in terms of ampere. Okay, and it is noted by capital letter A. All right, similarly luminous intensity. Okay, luminous intensity, that is measured in terms of candela. All right, you can see the spelling there, Candela, candela, and that is noted by CD. The first letter C is capital and the second letter D is small. And let us go to the last one, the amount of substance. Amount of substance that is measured in terms of mole. Okay, all right, mole, and MOL, mole, and that is noted by MOL. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities, and the 7 fundamental quantities have 7 SI units. So you can see the earlier slide there. You can see the note there. हेर्नुस् त नोटमा के लेखेको छ? In SI system, there are 7 fundamental units. Okay, are you clear? Now let me go to the table once again. You can count the number there. Length is 1 physical quantity, mass is second physical quantity, time is third physical quantity, temperature fourth physical quantity, electric current 5 physical quantity. Okay, and then luminous intensity another physical quantity. All right, and amount of substance another physical quantity, and they have different units. The unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, the unit of time is second, the unit of temperature is Kelvin, the unit of electric current is ampere. Just note that. Okay, you'll have to understand properly, right? And the luminous intensity is candela, the amount of substance that is measured in terms of mole, meter that is noted by small letter m, kilogram that is noted by kg, second, time is measured in second and which is noted by small letter f, so small letter s, Kelvin, capital letter K, ampere, capital letter A, candela, CD, capital C, small letter t, and last but not the least, mole, MOL. So this is called, these are the 7 physical quantities along with their SI units. All right. Okay. Let me go to the screen. Okay. Let me go to the camera. Anyway, so I hope you are clear about SI system, and I hope you are clear about different symbols they are used in SI system. For example, kg, second, ampere. All right. So, all right. Now let me. Okay, Mukta, are you clear about that one? So, are you clear about standard SI system?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what is SI system?
The system of measurement which is used, which is accepted all over the world, is known as a system.
So, how many how many fundamental physical quantities are there altogether?
7.
And how many? Just can you tell me what is the SI unit of amount of substance?
Mole, MOLE, symbol MOL.
Okay, what is the SI unit of temperature?
Temperature, temperature, Kelvin, Kelvin, symbol capital letter K.
Okay, that's great. Now please switch off your mic. All right, now let's get into the business. Okay, so we learned about SI system. All right, now let us learn about the length. Okay, now let me share the screen again. Okay, all right, now let us learn about length. So you are quite familiar with this word length. सबैजनाले length भन्ने word त सुन्नु भएको छ. Length भनेको के हो त? So you can see the definition there. The distance between any two points is called length. कुनै पनि दुईटा पोइन्ट बीचको डिस्टेन्सलाई हामीले के भन्छौँ त लेन्थ भन्छौँ. Okay, so let me give you one example. So I hope you can see clearly. अब हेर्नुहोस् है, let me create one point. Let's say this is a point. यसलाई मैले माने point A. Okay, now let me create another point again. यो चाहिँ अर्को point भयो र यसलाई माने मैले point B. Okay, this is point B. This is point A and this one is point B. See here, okay, अब यो दुईटा पोइन्टलाई मैले जोइन गर्दैछु हेर्नुस् त. Now I joined these 2 points. यहाँ line बनेको बन्यो एउटा. When these 2 points are joined, a line has been formed. Okay, and this line is यसलाई भनिन्छ length. Length. GTH. So when the distance between any two points, कुनै पनि दुईटा point बीचको डिस्टेन्सलाई भनिन्छ length. Okay, the distance between any two points is commonly known as length. कुनै पनि दुईटा point बीचको डिस्टेन्सलाई भनिन्छ length. Let me give you one example. बालकोट चोक is a point. बालकोट चोकलाई हामी एउटा point मानौँ. Let's say this is बालकोट चोक. बालकोट चोकलाई हामीले एउटा point मान्यौँ. र अर्को point मानौँ हाम्रो स्कुल Mount View School. Let's say Mount View School is another point. Mount View English Boarding School is another point. हेर्नुस् त, this point is known as बालकोट चोक. बालकोट चोकलाई एउटा point मान्यौँ. त्यस्तै Mount View School लाई अर्को point मान्यौँ हामीले. अब यो दुईटा पोइन्टलाई हेरौँ त जोडौँ हामी. यसरी जोडेपछि एउटा लाइन बन्यो नि. Can you see this line here? This line is known as length. That's why length is the distance between any two points. कुनै पनि दुईटा point बीचको डिस्टेन्सलाई भनिन्छ length. Okay, I hope you are clear. Let me give you one more example again. Okay, let's say Kausal Tower is one point. Kausal Tower लाई हामीले एउटा point मान्यौँ. Let us take the initial point as Kausal Tower and let us take final point as बालकोट चोक. अब कौशल टारदेखि बालकोट चोकसम्म जाने जुन रोड छ नि त्यो रोडलाई भनिन्छ length. That means when two points are joined together, okay, all right, that this distance, when two points are joined together, all right, this distance is known as length. Okay, now see here once again. So you can see that actually slide मा सबैजनाले हेर्नुस् त के लेखेको छ त्यहाँ. The distance between, you understand? The distance between any two points is called length. The distance between any two points is called length. Length भनेको के हो त? कुनै पनि दुईटा point बीचको distance हो. And you can see the next line there. The SI unit is meter. Length को SI unit के हो रे त? Meter हो. अघि हामीले हेरिसकेका छौँ टेबलमा यहाँ छ हेर्नुस्. You can see the table there. Length. Okay, the SI unit of length is meter. That is noted by m. Okay, that's right. The SI unit of length is meter and it is noted by m. यसलाई हामीले m भन्ने लेटरले नोट गर्छौँ. That means meter, that is noted by the letter small letter m. The other units of length are kilometer, km. अरु पनि छ युनिट. SI unit बाहेक अरु पनि युनिट हुन्छ. त्यही भएर लेन्थ को अरु युनिट भनेको एउटा किलोमिटर हो, अर्को भनेको सेन्टिमिटर हो, र अर्को भनेको फिट हुन्छ, इन्चेस हुन्छ, यार्ड हुन्छ, धेरै हुन्छ. त्यसमध्ये हामीले बेसिकली फलो गर्ने भनेको चाहिँ SI युनिट नै हो, जुन मिटर हो. Okay, the SI unit of length is meter and the other units of length is here kilometer, centimeter, feet, inches, yard, millimeter पनि हुन्छ. So this is all about length. Okay, are you clear about length? सबैजना length बुझ्नु भयो? If you are clear, please raise your hand. Okay, if you are clear, you'll have to raise your hand so that I could understand properly. Prasumi, are you clear about length? If you are clear, then please raise your hand, okay? Satish, are you clear about length? If you are clear, please raise your hand. Avas, are you clear? Otherwise, yes, you are clear. That means you raise your hand. That means you are clear. Alaika, are you clear? If you are clear, please raise your hand, okay? Raise your hand. I cannot hear your voice, but I can see your hand if you raise it, okay? That's great. Avas, are you clear? If you are clear, please raise your hand, okay? Okay, that's great. Fine. Let me go to the other side. Diksha, are you clear? Okay, please raise your hand if so then. That's great. Ozen, if you are clear, then please raise your hand. Okay, great. Sulabi, your video is dark. अलिकति उज्यालो lighting condition मा light भएको ठाउँमा बस्नुस् त भिडियो एकदमै उज्यालो आइरहेछ तपाईको. Okay, Rosan, that's wonderful. Great. Okay, Rahul, are you clear about length? Rahul, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rahul, tell me what is length?
Length is the distance between any 2 points.
For example?
For example, the distance between Balkot and Kaushaltar, the distance between Mount View School and Balkot Chowk, etc.
That's great. Wonderful. Okay, Smarika. Smarika, please switch on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Smarika, are you clear about length?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is length?
The distance between any 2 points is known as length.
That's great. And can you tell me the SI unit of length?
The SI unit of length is meter, and it is noted by m.
Okay, that's great. Fine. You people are great. Okay. Now, okay, let me share the screen again. Okay. अब हामी एउटा basic mathematical calculation गर्नेवाला छौं. All right. Okay, let me share the screen again. All right. Now let us go to the next slide. Okay. अब हेर्नुस् है measurement of length. Length लाई हामीले केमा मेजर गर्छौं त? सबैजनाले ध्यान दिएर त्यो स्लाइडमा एकचोटि हेर्नुस् त. इन एसआई सिस्टम अघि पनि मैले भनिसकेको छु एसआई सिस्टम भनेको एउटा त्यस्तो सिस्टम हो जुन सिस्टमलाई सबै मान्छेहरूले प्राय धेरै भन्दा धेरै मान्छेहरूले फलो गरेका हुन्छन् and the full form of SI system is system international. In SI system, length is measured in meter. हामीले SI system मा length लाई meter मा measure गर्छौं. Length is also measured in centimeter. हामीले length लाई centimeter मा पनि measure गर्न सक्छौं. Length also can be measured in millimeter. Length also can be measured in inches. Length also can be measured in feet. Length also can be measured in miles. Length also can be measured in yards. हामीले यो विभिन्न युनिटमा length measure गर्छौं तर पनि but still the SI unit of length is meter. You can see there meter is written there. And there is one more note again. The standard unit used for measurement length is meter. अघि मैले भनिहाले length लाई हामीले usually meter मा measure गर्छौं. 1 meter cloth, 1 meter long stick, all right? 1 meter long carpet, 5 meter long carpet. Okay, what is the height of your what is your height? If someone asks you what is your height, then you might say 1.5 meter, right? Or you might say 5 feet 6 inches. Okay, these are the measurement of length. Length is measured by ruler. So what devices we use while measuring length? हामीले length measure गर्दा के use गर्छौं त? Length के ले measure गर्ने? We cannot measure length by the help of beam balance. तराजुले कहिले length measure गर्छ गर्दैन नि? हामीले relevant खालको device use गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Okay, so for the measurement of length we may use ruler. Okay, we may use ruler, you can see there, or we may use measuring rod, or we may use measuring tape. All right, measuring rod भनेको तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ होला. तपाई लुगा पसलमा लुगाहरु किन्न जाँदाखेरि एउटा कलामबाट बनेको एउटा रड हुन्छ नि, that is called measuring rod. Okay, अनि measuring tape भनेको चाहिँ तपाईले त्यो घरमा काम गर्ने मान्छेहरु जस्तो घरहरु कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्ने मान्छेहरु आउनुहुन्छ नि प्लास्टर गर्दाखेरि वल्सहरु लाउँदाखेरि, राइट, उहाँहरुले के गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो एउटा हातमा मेजरिङ टेप हुन्छ, त्यो टेपले उहाँले वालको लेन्थ मेजर गर्नुहुन्छ, वालको थिकनेस मेजर गर्नुहुन्छ. राइट, सो दिस इज कल्ड मेजरिङ टेप. ओके, नट ओन्ली दैट वन, मेजरिङ टेप इज अल्सो युज्ड टु मेजर ल्यान्डहरु जमिनहरु मेजर गर्न पनि मेजरिङ टेपको प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ. ल्यान्डको लेन्थ के जमिन जग्गा कति लामो छ, जग्गाको लम्बाइ कति हो, व्हाट इज द लेन्थ अफ ल्यान्ड or what is the breadth of land, so this can be measured by using measuring tape. So these are the common devices which are used in measurement of length. Okay, now let us learn about the basic calculation. Okay, अब हामी basic calculation गर्नेवाला छौं, calculation related to length. Okay, now calculation related to length. So before यता हेर्नुस् है, अघि मैले भने the SI unit of length is meter. All right, SI, the system international unit of length is meter, and length is also measured in other units like centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. All right. Now, you note like याद गर्नुस् है. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. And 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. And 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. यो कुरा याद गर्नुपर्छ तपाईहरुले. cm भनेको सेन्टिमिटर, m भनेको मिटर, mm भनेको मिलिमिटर. हेर्नुस् त 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. यसलाई याद गर्नुस्. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Just keep it in your mind. 1 meter equals to 10 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to. Okay. फेरि हेर्नुस् म अलिकति अर्डरमा लेख्छु यसलाई. हेर्नुस् है. 1 cm means centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. All right. And then 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. All right. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. यो कुरालाई ध्यान दिनुपर्छ तपाईहरुले. भरि हामीले mathematical calculation गर्दाखेरि यो कुराहरु चाहिन्छ. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Just keep it in mind. Okay, यसलाई तपाईले नोट पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यसलाई राखिराख, कपी गरेर कहीं राखिराख्नुस्. अब हामी क्याल्कुलेसन गर्दै छौं. हेर्नुस् त. Convert the following. 1 meter to centimeter. Now, this is the question. Okay, the question says convert 1 meter to centimeter. हेर्नुस् सजिलो छ. 1 meter लेख्नुस्. 1 meter equals to हामीले अघि पढेको थियौं 1 meter मा कति सेन्टिमिटर हुन्छ त? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. भइहाल्यो, कन्भर्ट भयो. 1 centimeter लाई हामीले 1 meter लाई हामीले सेन्टिमिटरमा कन्भर्ट गर्यौं. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. त्यस्तै 5 meter मा कति हुन्छ त? 5 meter equals to 5 into 100. 100 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु. All right. So 5 meter equals to 500 centimeter. त्यस्तै 6 meter भन्यो भने कति हुन्छ त? त्यस्तै 6 meter equals to 6 into 100 centimeter. यसलाई हामीले गर्यो भने हुन्छ 600 centimeter. So if you are converting meter to centimeter, then multiply by 100. Okay, एउटा नोटमा हेर्नुस् त्यहाँ. हेर्नुस् त, meter to centimeter. यदि मिटरलाई सेन्टिमिटरमा लग्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने मल्टिप्लाई बाइ 100. ठीक छ. फेरि सेन्टिमिटरलाई मिटरमा उल्टो गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने के गर्ने? हेर्नुस् त, सेन्टिमिटरलाई मिटरमा लग्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने हेर्नुस् माथि के छ? मिटर टु सेन्टिमिटर. मिटरबाट सेन्टिमिटरमा लग्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने 100 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने र सेन्टिमिटरलाई मिटरमा लग्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने 100 ले फेरि डिभाइड गर्ने. याद गर्नुस् है. ओके, सो हामीले फर्दर आज यति गर्यौं हैन त? सो let me go to the screen again. Okay class. So today we learned about little conversion. So there is one slide I have put. Okay, I have put one slide in the Google Classroom. त्यो slide पनि राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएर हेर्नु होला. Right, अनि मैले असाइनमेन्ट होमवर्क लागि क्वेशन्सहरु दिएको छु. Yes please.
Sir, have you got my homework?
Yeah, I got your homework and I'll check it and I'll return you. Okay. So before we end the classroom, go to Google Classroom. There is one slide. See the slide. त्यहाँबाट पनि तपाईले अझै पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ, त्यहाँ नलेजहरु लिन सक्नुहुन्छ. अलराइट. अनि असाइनमेन्ट त्यहाँ होमवर्कहरु छ, त्यो होमवर्कलाई पनि गर्ने ट्राई गर्नुस्. अर्को क्लास भन्दा अगाडि तपाईले होमवर्क मलाई सबमिट गरेको हुनुपर्छ. इफ यु डोन्ट नो देन यदि गर्न आएन भने हामी नेक्स्ट क्लासमा डिस्कस गर्छौं है. अलराइट. If you are having trouble, okay, in those questions, then we discuss in next classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Alright, class. So anything to be said? Alright. So mathematical portions also अलिकति बढी प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस् है. त्यो कन्भर्सन गर्ने मिटरहरुलाई त्यो त्यस्तो पनि अलिअलि क्वेशन्सहरु त्यहाँ हुन्छ, अलिकति ट्राई गर्नुस् ल. If you don't know, then we shall discuss in next classroom. Okay. So alright, have a good day. Study well. Be a good student. Alright.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. See you in next class.